Good afternoon, children. This is Johnny Basha, social teacher. Last class, I started 10th class social lesson number 1 India relief features. In that introduction part, completed. Next, geological background also completed. Today topic is major relief divisions of India. It has 6 divisions: Himalayas, Indo-Gangetic Plains, Peninsular Plateau, coastal plains, deserts, islands. I will show all the details on the map. Major divisions. First, Himalayas, here located. Next, Indo-Gangetic Plain, here. Next, Peninsular Plateau, here. Next, coastal lines are there between sea and the land, this location. Next, desert. The big desert in India is the Thar Desert, located Rajasthan. Next, islands. The Bay of Bengal, Andaman Nicobar Islands, Arabian Sea, Lakshadweep Islands. These are the major relief divisions of India. Today I will say Himalaya details. Later, coming classes, I will explain Indo-Gangetic Plains, Peninsular Plateau, coastal plains, desert, island details. In this class only I will say Himalayas details only. Listen very carefully. Here the Himalayas, located the north side of India. Okay, this area Himalayas are located. Okay, directions I will say: north side, south side, east side, west side, north east side, north west side, south west side, south east side. Himalayas, here too, north west side, north east side of India it occupied. Okay, the shape of Himalayas, arch model. Okay, total kilometers, the length of Himalayas 2400 kilometers. The width, the northwest side 500 kilometers. Middle and the north east side with 200 kilometers. These are the information of Himalayas. Okay, so Himalayas are the combination of 3 ranges. I will show on the Indian map. Here 1, 2, 3. First, greater Himalayas. Second, lesser Himalayas. Next, third one, Shivaliks Himalayas. Greater Himalayas, other name Himadri. The lesser Himalayas, Shivalik Himalayas. So combination of 3 we call Himalayas. First I will explain the greater Himalayas. The greater Himalayas height 6100 meters with comparison of sea level. Here the snow always melting or glaciering. So here the perennial rivers also flowing from this area to the various locations. Okay, the 12 months, all seasons, Jan to the December, here the rivers, perennial rivers flow from this area to the various locations. Okay, these are the details of Greater Himalayas. It is located the north side of India. And the lesser Himalayas, here the Greater Himalayas south side, lesser Himalayas also there. The lesser Himalayas height 3700 meters to 4500 meters height with the comparison of the sea level. Here the small ranges also there. Mahabharata ranges, Pir Panjal ranges also located here. Next valleys, Kashmir valleys. Next Himachal Pradesh location, Kangro and the Kulu valleys also located. And here hill stations also there. Simla, Mussoorie, Nainital, Ranikhet, those hill locations. Here the compressed rocks also there. And these hill locations covered with the evergreen forest only. Okay, these are the details of Lesser Himalayas. So south side of Lesser Himalayas, Shivalik ranges also there. The width of Shivalik ranges are 10 to 50 meters. The height of the Shivalik ranges 900 meters to 1100 meters with the comparison of sea level. Okay, the Shivaliks, different locations, different names it has. And Jammu and Kashmir, Jammu Hills, the Jammu location, the Arunachal Pradesh Mishmi Hills, the Assam Kachar Hills, those type of the names it has different locations. So here the covered with the gravel stones this location. So Lesser Himalayas Shivalik ranges between valleys, plateaus also there. These valleys we call the duns. Dehradun also located here. Next the Patli, Kotli, all duns also located Shivalik ranges. So these are the information of the Shivalik ranges. The Himalayas, the pin, here the arch model, here to here arch model, here the down the pin model, observe. Here the pin model, Brahmaputra valley is also there, and here the Arunachal Pradesh location, Dihang valley is also located here. So here the northeast side, the region of Himalayas we call the Purvanchal. It is here the segmented rocks also occupy this area. This Purvanchal region is a combination of so many hills. Naga Hills, Kasi Hills, Manipuri Hills, Mizo Hills. Those hills combination we call the Purvanchal. Okay, here the Purvanchal location details. So these are the information of the Himalayas ranges, greater, lesser, Shivalik, the combination we call the Himalayas. The Himalayas north side, it is blocking the northern cool winds. So in the India, we are not receiving the cool winds. So different locations we have different types of the temperature, different types of the relief features. Okay, this Himalayas is the Himalayas location. The perennial rivers always flowing. Ganga, Brahmaputra, Sindhu, always flowing from this area, this location to the various locations. Perennial rivers. Here the perennial rivers bring the silt. It is useful to making of the plains. Always the fertile. It is useful for agricultural purpose also. These are the information of this Himalayas details. Next coming classes, I will explain the Indo-Gangetic Plains, Peninsular Plateaus, Coastal Plains, Desert, Island details. Today I explain the Himalaya details. The Himalayas combination of greater, lesser Shivalik, greater the height and the perennial rivers, lesser height and the ranges details, valleys details, the hill details all explained. Next Shivalik ranges, different location, different names. Okay, valleys, Dehradun valleys, those things. And the Himalayas, here the pink corner, Brahmaputra valleys, and the Arunachal Dihang valleys, and this overall part we call the Purvanchal region. Purvanchal region is the combination of so many hills. Everything I will, everything I explain now. This is about the details of Himalayas. Okay, students, thank you.